Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, nowadays scammers have like crossed all the limits and they have become like highly sophisticated. So it's high time we have to protect our accounts, and that is why in this video I'm going to show you how you can protect your Amazon account with dual factor authentication, because that means even if somebody gets some details about you, like email address, your email address is something that is shared widely, because everywhere you go nowadays, every alert you subscribe, everyone you communicate comes to your email address. So it's very easy for scammers to target and get your email address, and sometimes they steal your password too and some other important details. But with dual factor authentication, you can either set it to an app where you can get a verification code and you put it every time you log in, or you get a one time password on your phone. So you can do both. I'm going to show you how you can do using the mobile app. So on the right hand side you see there are three lines. So you have to click on that. Next you're going to come to this screen where under account security you are going to tap login and security, just first option under account settings. Then it will take you to the next page. So on this page, like, I have removed a phone number because I have set. Now on this page you have various security options, like you can set your passkey, change your password. You can see the for password there's edit option. You can click on manage and enable two-step verification. So this is what is called dual factor authentication, that not just with your password or passkey you can use this also. You can also set up your biometrics also, but some people don't feel comfortable storing their biometrics, because then it can be used for some if stolen, can be used for some deadly purpose too, that none of us would like to go through. So you have to tap on manage, or if your account is compromised you can click on start and under compromise and change your password and sign out everywhere. Nowadays it's very important. Then you come to this page where you have the option, either you can right now I've enabled, that's why I'm saying disable, but if you have not enabled it, then you will see instead of disable that you see here, you'll see enable. When you enable, it will ask like which method you want. See, I have selected send by text message and next to it is change. So we can change the method, or we can add a phone number or an authenticator app, and that you can use, so that instead of adding text message you can use an authenticator app, because there have been cases of sim swap too. So I'm going to configure that too pretty soon to enable the notifications. But yes, nowadays we have to be extra vigilant, extra careful, because these scammers have gone to steps even beyond. So guys, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching this. Let me know what you feel about it. That's how you can simply enable it.